Welcome to Sailing with the Jameses. I'm Kate, and this is Sam. And this is our daughter Charlie. A couple of months ago, we sold our house and all of our belongings and bought Endless Summer, a 55-foot Bruce Roberts yacht. We are now living on board full-time while we sail around the world. Follow our journey by pressing subscribe. This episode on Sailing with the Jameses. We are at Lindeman Island, which is located south of the Whitsundays. We traveled south from Airfield Beach, 26 nautical miles through the Mole Passage, and to Lindeman Island. There is an abandoned resort here and also a hiking trail that we plan to do. We're just coming into Lindeman Island and about to pull the dinghy up on the beach. You can see the old pool there.
Maybe we shouldn't film this song. You know, if she put this much energy into walking up that hill with us, I'm confident I'll be carrying her. She'll be worn out after this. It's amazing the condition of it all, hey? All of these beams, the cross beams, everything.
When we first arrived, there was a guy on the rocks over here, and there's a caretaker on the island. Just coming over to see if he's still here.
So that there was the caretakers just leaving, and he filled us in on the latest information. So basically this was a Club Med, which is owned by a French company. Then the Chinese bought it, and then with COVID and everything happening, that's where the thing suffered, and yeah, it shut down. And now it looks like a guy from Noosa, an Australian guy, is going to buy it and actually get this up and running. So they're getting extra staff, and now that's why the pool area looks swept and a little bit better kept, and they're going to open up the 3 villas down on the bottom first, and hopefully shortly we'll see this resort up and running.
Yeah, and behind us they're gonna get the, what'd they say?
A 9-hole golf course.
Yeah.
The weird thing is, I swear something must be wrong with me. I enjoy looking at abandoned resorts better than open ones. So I'm going to enjoy it now while it's abandoned. When it's open, well, we'll see if we'll come back. Yeah, we'll check it out.
Yeah. We good to go swimming?
Certainly is. Jump on in. I'll save you.
Just sort of watching my footing and keeping an eye out for animals. I'm not a fan of snakes. Just not. Like that. That looked like a snake. It's really neat. I'm just watching the floor because this is old, creaky. It looks like this was accommodation. a dead snake. That's my favorite kind of snake, actually.
The dead ones.
Yeah.
So when we landed on the beach before, we saw this place. We thought it was a place to have an evening meal. This is the water sport shed. And it makes sense now why the toilet's behind it. And these would be the drying racks for all your life jackets and things like that when you take out Hobie cats, paddle boards. And on the other side of it is a little map to say where you can paddle and where you can't paddle. It's really neat to check out. Amazing condition considering it's just been sitting here.
Wasn't too a fan of that guy.
The snake.
But after that, saying that, that's my favorite kind of snake. That's the only one I want to see on this walk.
What is that? Really? There are people walking already. What if we find a good coconut?
That's right, guys. You heard it here first. It's not easy to convince a 1-year-old to go on a hike. We are walking up the walking track right now, and it is so steep, so hot.
It's a very hot day. Charlie's having a bit of a drink. It's a bit warm for her. And yeah,
Here's the hill.
we keep going up. Steeper than it looks.
You can tell the steep. Hey Sam, want to carry me too?
Look over there, there's a door open. You should go check it out. The concrete should be fine, but there's no cracks.
Yeah, it's more snakes. And it's more snakes and spiders.
Ah, fair enough.
That's a spider web. Spiders. It's the fire hydrant, fire reel.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
And where have you been?
Down that path,
Mm-hmm.
checking out the walkway.
Uh-huh. Oh, well, fancy meeting you here.
You want to lead the way to the airstrip? What's that? What is that? Just arrived at the airfield. And this is it. Currently a grass airfield, and they still use it. So the caretaker was saying the main way he gets on and off the island is by flight. So this is where they land. And it's pretty cool because he takes off here and he lives down there. Door-to-door service. We're currently headed from the airstrip up the hill a bit more to the Watertower to find the really good lookout and have a really nice view up there. See what the lookout's all about.
This is from the hill up where the water tank is, overlooking the resort and the beach down there. Down in there, that's the pool area, and then our tender is in behind the trees down there somewhere.
So we're gonna go try to find this a jelly bean pool. And we're on the search for the jelly bean pool.
This goes down to the pool area.
So we've met some of the caretakers on the island, and they said that there's a pool that they all use and to feel free to go and use it, and they told us where it is, so we've just been on the hunt for it. And I have found it, and it is here.
Come on in, the water's fine.
3, 2, 1, go!
Absolutely loved our time here on the Pill, up on top of Lindeman Island. Now, it's for all those people that thought we were maybe a little adventurous jumping into a pool. It's obvious that they've had it up and running. The pool pump is running right now, so keeping it all quite nice, and they've obviously put some chemicals in the pool as well. But it just astounds me how amazing this place must have been. This here is a massive gymnasium, so they would have had the best, amazing activities and that all over the place. So yeah, it's an indoor soccer. Looks like they had the things coming down for the basketball or netball or something. There's another portable basketball. But yeah, absolutely fantastic. We've all loved our time here on the pool. But it's time to start heading back to the boat. Come on, honey, I'll race you to the bottom. Or not.
So we've just left the pool. We had a bit of a swim in an abandoned resort, and we are headed back to the boat and gonna have some dinner.
She always likes dinner time.
And yeah, that's us for the day.
Hope you enjoyed it, guys. It was awesome.
And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. It really helps us out, and that's the way you can follow our journey. See you guys next time.
See ya.
Lindeman Island was once home to a Club Med resort, but has sat idle for a decade, having closed its doors in January of 2012. It was bought by a developer in April 2012 with promises of a $580 million revitalization that came to nothing. In November of 2022, the island has undergone contract and been bought by an Australian investor going to be restoring her to her former glory. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to follow our journey.